Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl on Vivian. So today's video I will show you how you can do a simple homemade clove oil. This is how I do my clove oil for my natural hair, and it has been helpful for me. I always do my DIY things. I do so many things naturally on my hair. So if you're interested in knowing how you can do clove oil for your hair homemade, then this video is definitely for you. Clove is very beneficial for your hair. Before I get into the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my video. I upload videos every Thursday. Do well to come back to check out the video. Today's video, what you need is your blender, your coconut oil, your olive oil, and your clove. You can use, if you have just one oil, you can use it, but me, I always love mixing coconut oil and olive oil in everything I do. If you have just a coconut oil, fine, go ahead in using it. If you have just the olive oil, no problem, go ahead to use it. Clove is always full. If you know it very well, if you go to the market, just say you want to buy cloves, so you will get it. If you don't want to blend it, no problem, just put it in a bowl, then oil, and wait for it to sit for some time, then you extract it. So for me, how I'm able to do my clove, I first of all put it in a blender, blend it very well to get it really smooth. Not that smooth actually, but you can get it really smooth. Then I put it in my bottle or in a bowl, then add my coconut oil, add my olive oil, mix it very well, and keep. So you can warm the coconut oil and the olive oil before adding the clove inside. But what I do, I always have a small bottle. I put my clove first of all, put my olive oil, put my coconut oil, mix them together in that small bottle. Then take a normal bowl with warm water, stand the bottle inside, then leave it the next day, or you can leave it for 3 days. At least it has extract that clove very well. So it all depends on you. You can leave it for a day, 2 or 3. Then you now sieve it. That is how I'm able to do my own clove oil. I always put it first. I don't warm the oil at first, but you can warm the oil, those oil very well, like in a normal temperature. But I don't do that. I just put it normally, then in the bottle inside hot water, leave it for a day or 2 or 3, then now come and extract the clove, like sieve it. So get to mix the clove with all the oil. You see how it changed its color. After doing that, the next day, now maybe a day or 2 or 3, I now came, got my real bottle. This is my bottle for my, this is where I normally put my clove oil. It's very simple. You can purchase this bottle anywhere for your hair to put your oil, because it helps me to apply my oil into my scalp very well, unlike me using my hand. So I use my funnel. This funnel, I use it just for my hair because I do a lot of things on natural hair, so this is a special funnel for my hair. When I did this, I now mix it again very well. You can see how the clove have settled, but if I mix it now, you see how it's going to change its color again. So that is what you're going to do. You just need to take your time, mix it very well for it to mix with the oil, then you sieve it. You can either use a sieve or you use a white cloth, but me, I love using a white cloth because I need my oil to be really clean. I don't want any particle in my oil, so I don't use a sieve. The holes in that sieve are kind of big, more like really big, so I normally use a white cloth to extract my clove. The benefit of clove for your hair, it helps treat dandruff. So if you are suffering from dandruff, clove is one of the things you ought to be using. I use a lot of things that fight dandruff on my hair because once your scar is itchy, once your scar has dandruff, your hair can't grow. It covers all your hair follicles. So how can your hair grow? So I always and always use things that will keep my scar prevented from dandruff. So clove is one of the things that I use. There are so many things I share on my channel that you can go ahead to check and use all of them. When growing your hair, you don't need to stick on a particular thing. Use so many things, try different things. With that, is going to help you. So clove helps in treating dandruff. It also helps promote hair growth. Prevent premature graying of hair. It means if your hair is to have gray hair, or you're having gray hair on your hair, or you are to have it early, clove oil, using clove oil on your scalp and your hair prevents premature gray of hair, reduce hair fall. So if you are facing a lot of hair fall, then using clove oil or clove on your hair is a good way to stop your hair from falling. Add shine to your strands. Your strands are your hair. So these are some of the benefits that clove can do to your hair. So using clove oil on your hair is very beneficial for your hair. Do try this remedy. Do try this clove oil on your hair. Try to do it at home and apply it on your hair. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Like, turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please check me on other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram as well. Thank you for staying on my channel, and see you every Thursday.